Good morning, children. So in the previous class, we are counting up to King Sahel and page number 69 in studio. Now open studio page number 70. Question time. Write in your CW first question. Okay. See the what is the question? A restaurant prepares 97,320 packets of food for an event. Okay, so restaurant prepares how many packets? Total packets 97,320 packets of food for an event. So if 45,117 food packets are given for lunch and 37,109 packets are given for dinner, estimate the number of food packets left. Okay, so for lunch, how many packets are given? 45,117 and for dinner 37,109 packets are given. Now what you should do, estimate the number of food packets left. How many food packets are left? You should find out. So what is given in here? Round up to the nearest tenth. So you have round up the nearest tenth and you can do estimation. Okay. So write number of food packets given for lunch. Number of food packets for lunch. How many given? 37,109. Okay, 37,109. Now you have to round up to the nearest tenth estimation. Right here. Number of food packets given for dinner. How many food packets given for dinner? Sorry, this one 45,000. No? 45,117 packets for lunch and for dinner 37,109 packets for dinner they are given. Now you have to find the estimation now. So round off 45,117 to the nearest tenth. Round off 45,117 to the nearest tenth. So 10 plus what is the number? 1. What is the right side of the number? 7. So 7 is greater than 5. So what you should do? Rounding up number. That means you should add 1 to 10th place. So write the remaining numbers as it is. 45,100. You have to add 1 to here. 1 plus 1 how much? 2. And write units plus 0. Okay. Next. Round off 37,109 to the nearest tenth equal to nearest tenth. So what is the tenth place here? 0. What is the right side of the number? 9. So it is greater than 5. So you should rounding up number. That means you should add 1 to 10th place. So 37,110. Now add. First you should add 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. 5 plus 7, 12. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 82,230. Okay, ma'am. So this is the estimation value. Next, what they ask? How many number of packets left? Left means what you should do? You can do subtraction. For lunch and for dinner, they are given total packets 82,230. But how many packets they prepared? Food packets 97,320. Total packets prepared. Total food packets prepared equal to how many food packets prepared? 97,230 packets. And next, how many total packets given? Total food packets given equal to how many? 82,230. Okay, now subtract. 0 minus 0, 0, 3 minus 3, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 7 minus 2, 5, 9 minus 8, 50. 15,000 are left. So, therefore, number of packets left is equal to 15,000. Did you understand, children? So, first number of food packets given for lunch, how many? 45,117. Number of food packets given for dinner, how many packets given? 37,109. They are asking estimation value nearest 10. So, first you have to round off 45,172 to nearest 10. So here nearest 10, what is the 10 plus 1? What is the right side of the number? 7. 7 is greater than 5. So you should do adding 1 to 10 plus, that is 120. Next, round of 37,109 to the nearest 10. Here 10 plus is 0. What is the right side of the number? 9. Should add 1 to 10 plus. So what is it? 37,110. Now add. Total packet how many? 82,230 packets they are given. Now what they ask, how many packets left they are asking. So total food packets prepared how many? 97,230. And total food packets given, how many food packets given? 82,230 given. Now subtract. What is that? How many packets left? 15,000 packets are left. Did you understand now? Come on, write. Next question, see children. An ice cream factory produces 81,533 ice creams in a day. So ice cream factory produces how many ice creams per day? 81,533 ice creams produced. If 20,678 ice creams are mango flavored, 34,910 are strawberry flavored, 6,758 are orange flavored, and the remaining are grape flavored. So in that 81,533 ice creams, 20,678 ice creams are mango flavored, and 34,910 are strawberry flavored, 6,758 are orange flavored, and the remaining ice creams are grape flavored. So estimate the number of grape flavored ice creams, round off to the nearest 100. So you have to round off to the nearest 100 and you have to estimate how many number of grape flavored ice creams produced. Okay. Shall I rub the board, children? Okay. Round off mango flavored ice creams. How many? 20,678. 20,678 to the nearest 100. Nearest 100 equal to, so round of 20,678 to the nearest 100. So what is the 100 plus here? 6. What is the right side of the number? 7. 7 is greater than 5. So you can rounding up number. That means you have to add 1 to 100's place. So 20,000. You have to add 1 here now. So 700. 20,700 mango ice creams. Mango flavored ice creams. Estimated value. Next, round off 34,910 to the nearest 100 equal to, so what is the hundreds place here? 9. What is the right side of the number? 1. 1 is less than 5. So you can round it down number. That means 34,900. So how many strawberry flowers? 34,900. Next, orange flower. Round off 6,758 to the nearest hundred equal to how many? 6,758. What is the hundreds place here? 7. What is the right side of the number? 5. So 5 means it is equal to 5. That means you can round it up number. That means you have to add 1 to hundreds place. So 6,000, 7 plus 1, 800. 6,800 are orange flavored ice creams. Now, what you should do? You can add all the flavored ice creams. So 0, 0, 7 plus 9, how much? 16. 16 plus 8, how much? 24. 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So 62,400 ice creams. Total flavored ice creams. Estimation of total flavored ice creams. How many? 62,400. Now what you have to find? You have to find the grape flavored ice creams. So how many ice cream factory produces 81,533 ice creams? Round off 81,533 to nearest hundreds place. Nearest hundreds place equal to 100 place is here 5. Right side number is 3. That means less than 5. So rounding down number. So 81,500. Okay. Now here, how many total ice creams are? Mango, strawberry and orange flavored ice creams. How many? 62,400. Estimated total flavored ice creams is equal to how many? 62,400. Subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 4, 1. 1 minus 2. Can you subtract 2 from 1? No. You can take 1 borrow here. So here 7. 11 minus 2. How much? 9. 7 minus 6, 1. So how many grape flavored ice creams? 90,100. So therefore, number of grape flavored ice creams. Number of grape flavored ice creams is equal to 19,100. Okay, ma'am? Right.